Hi and welcome to Tech Rev on YouTube. Today we're reviewing the Rode VideoMicro microphone. The VideoMicro from Rode is a compact on-camera microphone that features a cardioid condenser mic capsule for capturing audio recordings. This lightweight microphone can be used when paired with a video camera. I'm using mine with a DJI OSMO, and it's perfect for the Osmo because the inbuilt microphone on the Osmo is absolutely terrible. The VideoMicro reduces distracting peripheral sound and focuses on the audio in front of the camera. The microphone body is made from aluminium, giving it a very high quality and high level RF rejection. And it's finished with a ceramic anti-glare black coating. The mic is powered by camera plug-in power, and so no battery is required. In addition, the VideoMicro includes a cold shoe mount that minimizes unwanted vibrations and a cable-borne noises, and a WS9 synthetic dead cat, as it's known in the industry. A windshield is included, which is nice, but I've noticed that this dead cat is a bit loose and it doesn't seem to hold on very well. And I've had two of these VideoMicro Rode microphones, and I've had the same problem with both of them. So that's one little flaw that I have to deal with. As you can see here, it's fairly simple to attach the VideoMicro to my Osmo using the cold shoe mount and also the DJI extension arm to enable the cold shoe mount. It just basically plugs in using the audio cable into the Osmo. The one bad thing again is that dead cat is a bit loose. Could be problematic in windy conditions, but overall build quality very good. It's made in Australia, believe it or not, one of the very few companies that are still building in Australia, manufactured in Australia, no longer going the Chinese way. So this is the Rode VideoMicro, and next we'll do some audio comparisons between the built-in Osmo and the VideoMicro. This is a test of the VideoMicro by Rode. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a test of the DJI OSMO inbuilt microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4.